Now I will explain chapter number 1, Indian economy on the eve of independence. Class 12. Economy. First of all, we know that what is economy. Economy of a country include all production, distribution or economic activity that relate with people and determine the standard of living. Indian economy on the eve of independence. It means that on the eve of independence, Indian economy was in a very bad condition due to exploitation policies of British colonial rule. At that time, some rules and regulations are in favor of British. That's why our Indian economy is very bad condition that time. India national and per capita income under colonial rule is there were no effort from the part of the colonial government to measure the national and per capita income of India. Some individual attempts were made to measure such income but produced conflicting and consistent result. The contribution of B.K.R.B. Rao and Dadabhai Nehruji are considered very significant in this contest. Now, what are the features of agriculture sector? Agriculture sector के feature क्या क्या थे at that time? तो agriculture was the main source of livelihood for most of the people of India, and about 75% of the country population lived mostly in villages and derived livelihood directly or indirectly from agriculture. Indian agriculture at the time of independence was marked with the following feature. At the time, there is low level of productivity, high degree of vulnerability. Now, future of industrial sector. Britishers followed a policy of systematic decentralization by creating circumstances conducive to the decay of handicraft industry and not taking any step to promote modern industry and reduced India to mere exporter of raw material and importer of finished goods. Now, the following point bring forward state of industrial sector at the eve of independence. जो handicraft industry थी वो at that time सब खत्म होती जा रही थी because machine made goods is more purchased by Indian people. Slow growth of modern industry. Now, future of foreign trade. India has been an important trading nation since ancient time, but when the restrictive policy of commodity production, trade and tariff were imposed by the colonial government, it adversely affected the structure, composition and volume of India's foreign trade. Following were the reasons behind the poor growth of foreign trade: exporter of primary product and importer of finished good. Exporter of primary product and importer of finished good. Britain monopoly control over foreign trade. जो इंडिया के प्राइमरी प्रोडक्ट थे वो एक्सपोर्ट होते थे एट दैट टाइम एंड these all goods are finished in foreign country, then foreign country transfer our country, वहाँ से इम्पोर्ट कर दिए जाते थे फिनिश गुड के रूप में अपने इंडिया में. State of occupational structure during the colonial period. The occupational structure of India exhibited backwardness. The agriculture sector accounted for the largest share of the workforce, which remained at a high of 70 to 75% of workforce, and the manufacturing and services sector accounted for only 10 to 15 to 20% respectively. State of infrastructure. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कैसे था? तो infrastructure comprises of such industry which help in the growth of other industry. Under the colonial period, basic infrastructure such as railway, port, border, air transport, post and telegram were developed. What is demographic condition at that time? Various details about the population of British India were first collected through a census in 1881. Before 1921, India was in the first stage of demographic transition. The second stage began after 1921. Chapter finished. Thank you.